Yes. So this is our largest part, the opening tag and the closing tag. Okay, inside the opening and closing tag, you can see there is an head. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah. Okay. What is the you can say uh, like how you can identify that this is the closing tag?
It has that little extra dash thing. No, it's not like a dash, but it's like a
This,
horizontal type of.
yeah, this is forward slash basically.
Yeah, okay, forward slash.
This is forward slash. Okay. And then inside this head, you will see that there is a title, right? It's starting from here and it's ending over here. Okay, this is title tag. So inside this title tag, you can see it is the name mentioned here that this is BBC Computer.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yeah.
Then this is the link basically. This part is the link. You can see this is the link. Link REL is equal to style sheet. And what type of it is? It is text slash CSS.
Basically, just a text.
Yes. And href is equal to bbc dot css. That means you have mentioned three more uh, types of links in it. First one is link, second is type, and the third one is href. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So this all stuff is basically for the header. Now let's come to the body tag. Inside this body tag, you can see what does it h1 means?
Um, Heading one.
No,
Meaning it's like a heading.
yeah, it is heading one.
Yeah,
Whenever you want to increase or decrease or you want to make the heading, so we will always put our all the data in any of the heading. Either it can be heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, depending upon the scenario, right?
yeah, okay.
Here you can see ID is equal to B, and inside the text is history of the BBC microcomputer, and here you can see it is the closing tag of the heading 1. Then this is the heading 2. It is starting from here and it is basically ending over here. What is
Yeah.
UL?
UN.
UL,
Um, UL, I'm not sure of UL.
unordered list,
Oh, okay.
unordered list. And in that, the list is basically the first is LI, class is equal to model. The first one is model A, and this is the model B. It means that it will look like this one, model A and model B, like this, right? And then this unordered list has been closed over here. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So if I can revise this, basically the whole structure, that means that first of all we will have a large tag of HTML. Then we will have the heading tag. You can see, and inside the heading tag there is a title tag. Then we have the body, and inside the body there is heading one, there is a heading two, and there is unordered list like this, and there is the list as well. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So now the question is basically sometimes of the formatting requirements for this website are shown below. So you can see that there is a class ID B, there is a text history of BBC. Here the formatting is required because you can see this. box has been splitted into two, right?
Yeah.
You can see in this part there is no division. So that means we need to work out on it. So how we can do this one? How can we do this? Uh, what,
Through a
what is the question?
right, the CSS Sharia needs to display the web page.
Yeah,
So you would start off with HTML, then you would do a body,
yeah,
and then you would do H1 for a heading.
yes. So what is the question? Write a CSS Courier needs to display the web page so that it meets the formatting requirement standard. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So what do you think? How we can do this?
Something that we could do
Hmm.
start off with the HTML, right? HTML. Then you
Hmm.
will make a body.
Yeah.
You would do H1 and write
Hmm.
class ID text, formatting, font family, and then color. Then you would write another like paragraph one. You would write P1. You
Hmm.
would write it as beep, and then history,
Hmm.
times, and then you would make that color into like a green. You would write green, the
Okay.
color green, color, I think COLOR, color green. Then that
Hmm.
would change that like paragraph color into green.
Okay. So first of all, I think so we have to touch the list one, this one, li, because the model is inside this class, right?
Yeah, okay.
So we can write that here we have the li. So you can write li. First of all, li, and the class name is model.
Yeah,
The class name is basically model. So because we have to write the CSS code, right? We are going to write the CSS code. So inside the CSS code, what we have to do, we have to first of all we will give the color. Color is red,
yeah,
and then what we can do, the font family is, yes, font family is Arial. This one. How we will write? We will write like this. Font family, and font family is basically Arial. Okay.
yeah, okay.
And then we will close it because this is done for this one. Then we have to work for the beep. So beep will be mentioned with the hash sign beep, and we will start this one here. So its color is green. Beep color is green, right? You can,
Yeah,
it is green, and its font family is what? What is the font family of this one?
which
Now,
is red.
the font family of beep is basically times.
Oh, you're talking about, I thought you were talking about the second one.
Yeah,
The color. Okay, okay.
you can see it times, and then we will close it like this. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So this is the solution. Yeah, this is the correct format.
Okay.
Yeah, the thing is that you should know what is tag and how can you can apply the color and what is the font family, right? So you should have the syntax. You should not have the syntax error. So it should be semicolon here and it should be semicolon here. Okay, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Then do we have next question? No, this is the binary conversion.
For the in the exam,
Hmm?
these questions I did most of them right. Inshallah, I got all of these ones right. I know for sure.
That's great.
I got lots of good practice on these ones. It's just I had a really weird Manchester question.
You had done the Mantisa question. There was a question.
It was a bit you had to do you had to minus two values and then
Yes.
it was a bit more confusing. It
The
gave
next
it gave
number.
it gave two binary numbers
Yeah,
and then it said minus them. Then it gave like Manchesters and everything.
I see. So they gave you the double question.
Yeah, it was like a double thing or something like that. It was 6 marks.
Oh, I see. Right. Right. Right.
I attempted it, but I probably don't think I got it right.
Mhm. So are you okay with these conversions?
These conventions, yeah, till I'm really good at doing that.
This one
Yeah,
complement number two. Then we,
you would do 1 to 4.
yeah, here you can see the subtraction one, the same question.
Yeah,
So if you can do by yourself, this one.
I wasn't sure how to do it because I'm not sure if you're meant to change the values of the first one or the second one.
Mm-hmm.
It's because you have to change one of the values. You have to do the opposite. So if it was one, it would become zero, and then if it was zero, it would become one. I don't know
Mm-hmm.
if it was the first value or the second value you had to do.
I see. So what does it mean? One minus one is zero.
Yeah, one minus zero is one.
One minus zero is one.
One. Zero minus zero is zero. Zero minus one you can't do, so you take the one over there.
Yeah.
So one minus one equals zero.
So one minus one,
Zero.
zero.
That becomes a zero, so you have to take it from.
Mm-hmm.
That becomes a zero again, because one minus one.
Yes. Then
That becomes a one, I think.
we have to borrow from here.
One minus one is a one. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Next, what was left here?
Zero. Oh, then it would be zero, one. Yeah, okay.
Hmm. What is the next value like? We can put zero here
Yeah.
or one.
One, one, one.
One. And it was zero here.
Yeah. You was zero there, so it becomes zero.
Yeah, it's okay. This is done.
Okay.
It is of 2 marks basically. And what about these questions? Are you able to do?
Translator that is used to convert. That would be an assembler.
I think you do know this how to do this,
Yeah.
little man.
The type of translator uses an assembler. That is not used is iteration. Iteration is not used. Selection and sequence are used.
Yeah.
And then it says when the program 7 is run, input 7 stored as x sub y. Y is was said to be as 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. It's a positive.
Hmm.
So you go to, you load y.
Hmm.
Yeah, so the input, so the output would be 5. Since the last value of it was 5.
Yes. I think you are comfortable with this question.
Yeah, I'm comfortable.
Mm, good. Next is LNC assembly code. What about this one?
Um, I think I can do it. You
You
would
can.
first write print, I mean,
Hmm.
x equals print input. Then
Hmm.
you would do y equals print, y equals
Hmm.
print input two values. Then you would do x is if x minus y is um bigger or equal to 0, then you would do then
Hmm.
store z, take the value of z and then store it. Else what you would do, you would write the word else,
Hmm.
else repeat it with a while loop. So you do a while loop there as well.
Right.
Else store else x minus y again.
Okay.
I think that would be right. I'm not sure.
If look at this one, if input
Then y equals input.
y is equal to 5.
Yeah. Then
Okay.
x minus y. If
No,
if x minus y.
z is equal to 0 as well.
Oh, yeah, okay. Then if x minus y.
Yeah, we will check if x is greater than equal to y.
Yeah,
Then z is equal to y.
z is equal to y. Else
Else
you would do z
this
is
one
equal to x.
and it.
Okay, okay, okay. End of an end function.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is like this one.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is all for today, and we had like